Hey everyone! In this video, we are going to create a simple React app using TypeScript. We'll make a light switch app to see how React and TypeScript work together. Here we import React and the useState hook. UseState allows us to create state variables that can change over time, like the on-off status of our light. This is TypeScript in action. We define a type for the props of our component. Here, the light switch component will receive a label prop and TypeScript ensures it must be a string. We create the main app component. React.fc tells TypeScript this is a React functional component. UseState false creates a state variable called isOn that starts as false and can only be a boolean. Here we return the JSX that shows on the screen. We center everything and display a heading. Then, we use our light switch component and pass the label isOnState and set isOn function as props. This defines the types for our light switch component. TypeScript ensures that label is a string, isOn is a boolean, and setIsOn is a function to update the state. In the light switch component, we display the label and current status. The status shows a light bulb emoji if it's on, or a sleeping emoji if it's off. We also have a button that toggles the state between on and off. TypeScript ensures the types are correct. Finally, we export the component so React can render it. This is required for every component you want to use in your app. And that's it. We now have a working light switch app in React with TypeScript. You can see how TypeScript helps catch mistakes and ensures our code is safe. Try changing the state or label and see TypeScript in action.